Hey everyone, welcome to the Shopify tutorial where we're going to be creating a mega menu. If you don't know what a mega menu is, it's basically when you've got a menu item here which drops down onto your shop and has a whole bunch of different Shopify collections, products, etc. And it just allows your user or your customer to easily navigate your site quite easily without having to drill down into various collections. So how we'll set this up, I'm just going to show you the most basic way of doing it is we'll go over to the dashboard and then you can go and customize it as you need. So what we'll do is we'll go into online store, we'll go into navigation. Then you'll see we've got two menus. We're going to choose our main menu, and then here we'll just basically go and add a new menu item and we'll just call this products. Then what we'll do is we'll just go over to link. And let's just make it just point to the home page for now. If you were going to do other products and collections, etc., you would actually add a collection instead. For now, let's just go and just call it products, and then we'll go and create some submenu items. I'm just going to call this collector cars. So I'll just make it like toys or whatever, and we'll select homepage. If you were doing collections, you'll select collections or you'll select products, and you'll be able to drill down into products and collections you want this to link to. But because we are just setting up the menu and I'm showing you how to do it, I'm just going to select homepage for each of these. So there we've created collect cars, and then we want it to be a child of products. So we can just drag it up to here and then drag it slightly to the right so that it becomes a child of products. Now in collector cars, we want to basically create another item, but we'll do that in a second. For now, we just want to create some more categories under products. So we'll just go and we'll say just something like dolls maybe, and homepage and add. And maybe we want to add some game consoles. And we'll select homepage and we'll add. So homepage and add. Then we basically have subcategories. If we save this and we look at our page now, so we go under products, we'll see we've got this little menu, which is not our mega menu in the end. It's just basically a couple of categories that we added, but now we're going to start building up the mega menu structure. So now what we'll do is collect the cars. We'll just add some stuff maybe, and I'm just going to add basically test data. So you can first start off by going to this add, and I'll just say test car 1. And I'll make this homepage and I'll add it. Now you drag this up to collect the cars and slightly to the right to make it a child. Now you'll be able to add collect the cars. So we'll just make test 2 and we'll make this homepage and add. We'll add test 3 and we'll make it homepage and add, and let's save that. So now we'll do the same here. We'll also just create some doll tests. So test doll 1 and create homepage and add. Then we'll basically go and drag it up like this and drag it slightly to the right. Now we can start adding more dolls. So test doll 2 like that, and you need to choose the homepage. Then we'll do the same with game consoles. Again, we'll just do test console 1 and we'll do homepage and add. And then simply drag it up and drag it to the right to make it a child. Save this off and let's look at our page now. Refresh this, and when you go to products now, you'll see that it has this large menu, which is basically referred to in the community as the mega menu. So that's how to set it up on your shop. That's how to get it going. Very simple. It's just basically embedding children within children on your shop or in your navigation, and then you can have this nice little user-friendly menu in your shop. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please like below and comment if you have any questions or concerns. and I will try to answer you the best I can. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.